Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe followed by the bell. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 is one of the best smartwatches for Android users, combining the best of Wear OS and Samsung's hardware. While you'll get the best experience with a Samsung device, the smartwatch works with any non-Samsung Android device. But what about Apple devices? If you're using an iPhone and contemplating getting a Galaxy Watch 5, you might wonder if you can use the watch with your Apple phone. The Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro don't support iOS or iPadOS. That means you won't be able to use them with an iPhone or iPad. Samsung's previous Tizen-powered smartwatches, such as the Galaxy Watch 3, Galaxy Watch Active, Galaxy Watch Gear, and Galaxy Watch Fit, were compatible with iOS and could be connected to the Galaxy Watch iOS app. But that changed when Samsung released its first Wear OS-powered smartwatch, Galaxy Watch 4, which dropped support for iOS and restricted support to Android devices. The Galaxy Watch 5 series requires a smartphone with Google mobile services to be activated, ruling out not only iOS but also devices that lack GMS, such as Huawei phones and custom ROMs without Google Apps. If you're an iPhone user and want to use a Wear OS, you can opt for the super expensive Montblanc Summit 3. It's the first and only Wear OS 3 smartwatch to work with iPhones. Not even Google's Pixel Watch offers iOS compatibility. Other alternatives for iPhone owners include Mrnewmobile TicWatch 3 lineup and the older Galaxy Watch models. However, for the best experience and compatibility, we recommend you pick up an Apple Watch. Check out our best Apple Watch roundup to see which one would be a perfect fit for you. The Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Watch 5 Pro aren't compatible with iPhones. If you're adamant about using a Wear OS watch with your Apple phone, you can pick up the Montblanc Summit 3 or TicWatch 3, but if you are using Galaxy Watch 3 down, you can easily pair with all iPhone devices. Your Galaxy Watch can only connect to one phone at a time, and the setup process involves resetting your watch, then pairing it with your new phone. Yeah, that is all for now. If you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, share and comment. Thanks, and see you on my next video.